Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here to talk about ethics, which I know some of you have been telling me a lot that you're getting kind of annoyed with me like talking about this all the time. But it's been a hot topic around my channel. I've either had people telling me I'm doing wrong and such. So I want to really preface about ethics and how you really are supposed to be an ethical couponer. That's something that I'm going to mention today. And I'm going to talk about some of the things I'm seeing right now on like YouTube and Instagram that are just flat out wrong and that really upset me. And the main thing I want to first say is if you're one of these people and you watch my videos, I've never encouraged you to do this. I would strongly hope you would stop doing it because it's not right. But the bottom line is it's wrong and it actually could result in, punishment. If you read on the coupons, which I'll show you in a little bit, it literally says you get fined or even go to jail. So it's not worth it. So I'm going to go through today, just explain to you some of the things that I've been seeing and just talk about ethics. Because when you hear about some of the things that have been going down and the people, what they're posting online about their couponing, you're going to be shocked because I was shocked. Never quite seen anything like it in my 4 years of couponing. And I'm going to make sure a lot of you all don't get caught up in this. Because some of these people are Kroger shoppers, which I know a lot of you are. That's why you're here for me. So I don't want you all to see this and get all excited and think, oh, we can get even more free stuff at Kroger. No, this is not real. This is fraud from a lot of people who are doing this. So you do not need to get caught up in this. So yeah, I'm going to explain to you the main one that's been going on. The main thing I loved, I know it's kind of hard to read, it's a little blurry, but Mimi commented on my video. She's really awesome. She always is commenting. I really love this thing she said. She went to Kroger, she saved 89% on the mega event, and she said she did no glittering, no glitches, couponing done right. And that is, you know what? That's what we all need to do. We get so much with couponing done right. Like, there's no reason to go out glittering and just being, going against the rules. Coupons are a privilege. They don't have to give us coupons. So when the manufacturer tells us the rules, there's no reason not to follow the rules. And that's a really important thing to remember. So let's talk about the one that is really, really the one that I'm seeing all over the place. It is, sorry, I had to put my phone up so it's dinging. Coupon glittering is the one that I think is the worst right now. This is when people, okay, I watched a video on YouTube of a glitterer. I just did a YouTube search for coupon glittering, and it was one of the first videos. And this person said that they match up the UPC code on the coupon and find the product in the store. And if they have matching UPC codes, it'll scan. Okay, that's their philosophy. So this could mean they go, I saw someone, there was some Philips, we got an $8 off coupon. This is old, this isn't even current, but I saw an Instagram post once. There was an $8 coupon for some Philips colon health probiotics. $8 off. These were like $15 for the probiotics. Well, they went and glittered and found a Philips fiber gummies that were $5. Same UPC or whatever. So they were able to go and get that, and they used their coupon, and they got $3 in overage. Okay. I don't know why the manufacturer has it scanned that way, but it doesn't make it right because it's not the intended product. You know what I mean? Like, that's fraud. That's legit fraud. You can't do that. And, people take it as far. I've seen people use P&G coupons. Like, someone went and used like a Duracell coupon on some Tide detergent or something like that. It's insanity. It is insanity. And then other people have done a little bit less extreme, but it's still glittering. Like, people will use the coupons for the wrong size products. People will, like, if the coupon says Tide, they'll use it on the Tide Simply, even though it says no. I think that might be balanced couponing, whatever the name is. That doesn't make it right in my eyes. But yeah, glittering is really taking the coupon community by storm. Obviously, it's wrong. I don't encourage it. If you stuck with my channel, you've never seen any glittering deals because it's not right. And but believe it or not, there are YouTubers, big YouTubers, who have done some glittering stuff. Maybe not as blatant as the using it on the different brand or the different, you know what I mean? But there's people who've used them on the wrong size, and I'm not judging anybody. I'm just saying it's not, it's not ethical. And so it's not just my opinion. We're gonna take it in the coupons now. We're gonna look at what the coupons say and what this means if you do this. Okay, so thank you to Clip to Save, as always, for posting our insert previews, which I'll have up later. But if you read right here on the coupon, it says $3 on one Clairol aged at 5, Vidal Sassoon, Natural Instincts, and all this stuff. Specific hair colors. It only is valid on specific hair colors. Read down here in the verbiage. It says any other use constitutes fraud. Okay, what's the charges for fraud? I mean, seriously, if you get charged for fraud, you're gonna go to jail and have to go to court and get fined. Is it really worth it? And honestly, the thing that shocks me most is why would these people turn it and put it on YouTube in the public? I mean, that's what is mind-boggling to me, because obviously people are going to see it. Okay, so glittering is the worst, probably, besides photocopying coupons. That's another fraud. But glittering's not the only way of misuse. And I know some of these are controversial, and I will explain them as we get on the list. Ignoring size restrictions. That's awful. That's misuse. Not following expiration dates on your coupons unless your store has told you they take them expired. I know some Krogers take them within the week or whatever. So that is up to your store. And if they've said that's okay, then that's not misuse as long as your store's approved it. Not following coupon limitations, like if it says 1 per day or 2 per day, that's misuse. Again, if your store has a different rule, that may make the situation for that different. Not following rebate limitations. This one is pretty, this one's pretty controversial. A lot of people still use Checkout 51 in coupons, even though they say not to. And, it is your conscience at the end of the day. If you believe, even though they tell you not to, that it's okay, I guess it's your prerogative, but I'm not going to ever tell anyone to do it because they say not to. So that's the bottom line. For me, I can't do it because they say not to. And if any of these rebate apps said don't use a coupon, I couldn't use a coupon with it. And Saving Star has said you can use a coupon with it. That's not, that's not changed yet. But there are some Saving Star rebates now, like the purse sale a couple weeks ago. Everyone was hitting that up. And people asked me, why didn't you do the purse sale? The reason I didn't do the purse sale was because I read that Saving Star rebate and it said do not use with any other coupons or rebates. And the other Saving Star stuff doesn't usually say that. So because that specific manufacturer decided we couldn't use any rebates or coupons in conjunction with each other, I didn't do it. Now, am I saying the people who did it are wrong? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying, for me, I felt like I didn't, I felt like that was the manufacturer's intentions, so I just followed their intentions. But your conscience could tell you something different. So you kind of have to make the decision that you want to make with that. And then on not following store coupon policy, it's important to follow their policies because it just is. If we play by the rules, the less drama you're going to have at the store. My Kroger now is coupon police because people have come in there and scammed them. Someone told me people scanned fake QR codes on their phones and had fraud. That's what, and now my Kroger is not very coupon friendly. They sit there and read them. They get confused. So, yeah, it's definitely a problem. Definitely a problem. And then another huge level of fraud, right up there with glittering, even worse, it's right up there, is counterfeits. And someone went into my Rite Aid, my local Rite Aid, who used to be so coupon friendly. They used a bunch of fake coupons. The store entered them in. I don't even know why they did that. And now my Rite Aid is only accepting one like printable coupon now. That is a huge game changer because people were copying coupons and making fake printables, and they just don't want to deal with it anymore. So it ruins it for everyone else. So counterfeits are huge. So how can you be ethical? And I'm not saying a lot of the things on the last list, like the checkout 51 and not following limits, I don't believe those people are horrible people. I still think they're really good couponers and you can get good information from them. Just adapt those things. But the ones I'm really angry at are the glittering people. You know, those are the ones who are messing it up for everyone else. But how can I be ethical? When in doubt, seek information from the store and or corporate, which I know the ones who keep coming after me saying I'm wrong are not the ones who listen to me in my conversation with Kroger corporate. I went to corporate, we had a conversation via email about the 5 times digital coupons and all that. You know, I talked to them and they told me it was fine, so I went and talked to them. And you know what, baby? If you're in doubt or something, you could go to the manufacturers and ask them. You could go to the rebate app people if you want to make sure you're doing everything right. You know, you got to seek out the information you want to seek out. So if that makes any sense. Always read the coupons, checking for restrictions and limitations. That's really important. Making sure you're using it on the right things. Make sure you watch ethical YouTubers and follow ethical blogs. Obviously, if you're watching a glittering channel, you're going to want to glitter. So make sure you're watching people who follow the rules. And like I said, I'm not exactly including people who maybe use checkout 51 with coupons here. I still watch a lot of people who do that. I just don't do those deals is the bottom line, because I don't do that. But you can take good information from them. But if there are people who are constantly glittering and stuff, don't watch them. Don't waste your time on them. And finally, never photocopy coupons or glitter. That's really important. So yeah, I just thought I should make this video with all that's been going on. Do not glitter. Feel free to leave your comments down below because I always enjoy open conversation. Let me know your thoughts on this. Do you think glittering's okay? Do you think it's wrong? Do you agree with me on this? And like I said, I am not coming after the people who still don't follow everything to a T. Mainly the glittering's the one that I'm the most disturbed about, you know, but yeah, I hope that all makes sense. So, yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope it didn't offend anybody. Let me know your comments below, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.